In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the login process smoothly. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Now, you're going to want to head over to the Salesforce homepage. If this sounds challenging, don't worry. It's straightforward. You can simply type Salesforce into your search engine. Alternatively, if you have a direct link to their main site, feel free to use that. Once you find yourself on the Salesforce homepage, you'll immediately notice the design is both simple and user-friendly. It's crafted in a way that makes finding your way around quite intuitive. To proceed, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. Here, you'll discover the Login section. Rather than immediately clicking, gently hover your mouse over the Login button. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, revealing a variety of login options available for selection. Our focus today is accessing the Marketing Cloud. So, look specifically for the Marketing Cloud link within this menu, and when you find it, go ahead and click. This action will redirect you to the Marketing Cloud login page. Now, once the Marketing Cloud login page pops up on your screen, you'll see designated fields awaiting your input. It's time to enter your credentials. These are your username and password that you or your organization configured when the account was initially set up. For those configuring their credentials for the first time, here's a tip. Ensure that your credentials are unique and secure. This will protect your account from any unauthorized access. Additionally, before you click that login button, I have a quick reminder. Ensure your caps lock is off. Passwords are case-sensitive, and having it on might lead to errors. Also, double-check that there aren't any spaces before or after your username or password. These seemingly minor details can be the difference between logging in smoothly or encountering errors. Once you've carefully entered your credentials and you're confident about their accuracy, it's time to press the login button. If all goes well, you should find yourself on the Salesforce Marketing Cloud dashboard. Here, a world of possibilities opens up. You can manage marketing campaigns, delve into performance analytics, and explore the myriad of powerful tools that Salesforce offers. However, if your login attempt doesn't succeed, take a breather and recheck those details to make sure everything's as it should be. Forgot your password? Not an issue. There's typically a Forgot Password link right there under the login form, allowing you to reset it through your email. With this straightforward login guide, accessing the Salesforce Marketing Cloud should now be a breeze. Enjoy diving into all its robust features and functionalities. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep optimizing and discovering new potentials with your marketing strategies.